What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. I know we're in a little bit different of a place today, but we just figured we would show you this beautiful car behind us, which is the 2025 Nissan Z. So to start out, a lot of people were against this car when it first dropped. Obviously, it coming with the 3-liter, 400 horsepower, twin-turbo V6. It's obviously different from its predecessor, the 370Z. To have a modern 2025 car come with a manual transmission, a really fast engine configuration, and just an overall great sound experience, all for an affordable price as well, I don't see as to why anyone could hate this car. So this car can come optioned with a 9-speed automatic transmission, or like this one has a 6-speed manual transmission, which, like I said, in the new modern era is very, very rare to find. This car's also double blue, spec'd quite nicely. But the owner came to us and said he loves this car, but he does not like the way it sounds right now. So we took it to the next level and we threw on our full Valvetronic Designs catback exhaust system for the 400Z platform. This car sounds phenomenal. You guys are gonna hear it now. Throughout this video, we're gonna do startup, revs, flybys, hard accelerations. We're gonna put a GoPro on the bumper, and you're gonna get the good fortune of sitting with Nate and I on the interior of this beautiful, brand new 400Z. Enjoy. Alrighty folks, we are inside the new Z, and right now I have the valves closed. I'm just cruising along like a whisper to you. Even with the free flow pipes up front, it's still very docile in here, very quiet, very enjoyable. You know, driving down these back roads, you know, we're not gonna bother anyone. Yeah, we're in 4th gear, right around 2,000 RPM. And there's no drone. It is very important to have the valve flexibility in a car like this, just because it's open out back with the hatch. You get no seats out back that are gonna be blocking any exhaust sound or anything like that, so having that flexibility is really important. If you do want to open up the valves and get more sound, you can hear that change. You hear the huge difference with the windows closed as well, so we'll open them up. And what I've noticed as well is you get these huge cracks on the shifts too, now with this exhaust system. Now, I don't believe this car is tuned, but I'll tell you what, it is very fast.